I know that technology can certainly be stressful. So this video is introducing you to our video program. It's called Go React, and it will get you started. Everything from registration to some of the highlights on how the program works. This particular program is pretty easy to use. We will be uploading our speeches and we will be providing feedback to our classmates through this program. And just so you know, if we were in the classroom, we would also be recording speeches. It's a district policy, and there is an assignment for you to evaluate yourself. And so we want you to be able to see your own video. Let's get started with how to access the program and how to register. Everything in our class is navigated from the course menu here on the left. If you ever can't see this, you just slide your mouse to the side, up and down, you'll find a tab and it will open up. But this is our course menu. You'll find down towards the bottom, lessons and tutorials. That's where you go most of the time. Under lessons, that's where all of your work is, organized by week. There are the mini lectures, PowerPoints, all of your assignments are in that. The second item down is the access to Go React. You'll click on the words Go React, and inside you will find 4 items listed here in the center of your screen. The first item is this short tutorial. I also have it posted in Welcome Start Here, so if you saw it in that section, you do not need to watch it again. Number 2 is our link to my class inside Go React. Click on the words Register for Go React to begin the registration process. I'll show you a screenshot of that on the next slide. The third item on our list is the Go React dashboard, or the actual program. You will access this after you've done the registration process and will take you directly to my class inside Go React. If you ever need help, you need to come to this 4th item listed here, the student help section. It takes you to Go React's help page. It has articles, it has the how-to step-by-step instruction, it has question and answers. If you have technical issues, it troubleshoots them. This is where you want to go. I am not tech support for the Go React program. I know a little bit about the program, but you are responsible for figuring out and troubleshooting because I am not the expert on Go React. So use student help as you see here. Again, click on it and it'll take you directly to that section. When you click on the register link on the previous page, it should take you to this is my screenshot that says register for 1311 fall 8-week class, my name, and you will want to select create an account. When you click on create account, it should bring you to this image on the right. You'll put your name, an email address, and password. I would just use your web advisor or my TCC information to make it easy, less chance you'd forget. You need to consent to the terms, and you're 13 or older, and then click submit. Now, that's as far as I can take you visually. So I'm not a student. I can't actually walk through the entire process, but I think you'll be okay. You might be taken to a screen that looks something like this, and if you're ever given the choice to go to goreact.com or to a Blackboard option, don't pick the Blackboard option. I know it sounds strange, but we are just going directly to goreact.com. They are not actually connected with Blackboard. I'm letting you access it through Blackboard, but always select goreact.com as your platform if you have the choice. I think if you click on this, it'll take you then directly to our class. Here is a screenshot of the student help section from Go React, and always again select goreact.com. Do not select the Blackboard option. But this gives you an example of, here's your getting started guide. You shouldn't need an access code because TCC is providing this program for you. Right? Here are under assignments, they're not actual assignments, but these are the instructions on how to record a video or how to add slides to your video. We have a video library over here on the right. We have contact tech support for students. All the support hours and information is posted here. You need to know that Murphy Law takes place when it comes to technology or speeches. Murphy's Law, if anything can go wrong, it will. You want to always allow extra time to get the recording done and your video uploaded and make sure everything works, and allow extra time for technology mishaps. So if your video is due Monday, I might try to get it done on Friday and allow some time for me to contact tech support if I need help. So always allow extra time. Submit electronic assignments early so you have time to troubleshoot. If you do them at the last minute and there's technology issues, they may not be accepted in some classes, so be careful. When you do log into our class, you're going to see assignments on the left. I may not have all of them visible at one time, but they would be on the left. You would select the one that you would need by clicking on it. When you do open it, there would be instructions up here at the top. It's written in blue. And in order to submit assignments, if you were loading your video from your computer, you'd click Start Assignment and upload the video there. Once it's uploaded, you always want to test it and play it and make sure that it works and the volume and the sound is good. Okay, make sure that it plays. You also would be attaching your PowerPoint slides here for your informative speech, also through this setting here. When you are inside this program, all of the videos would be shown on the left, and once they're graded, they move over to another column at the top. Okay, right now it doesn't show that because I don't have a screenshot of all the videos listed, but it'll show videos, and then once they're graded, there'll be a graded section up at the top that you can click on, and then you'll see them again. I do recommend getting the Go React app. It's free, both for iPhones and Android. You can actually upload your videos, record on your phone, and upload them directly to our class from your cell phone. I find that to be very easy. You need to be standing up while giving speeches and not sitting at your computer. So if you use your phone and you have a friend or family member record you, then you can easily be standing. It is easy to upload them from that app, but again, you would want to practice with that and make sure you're comfortable with that process. Once your videos are uploaded, as I said, you'll see a whole list of videos. You just click on one to open it up. So I've clicked on one, here's the video, and when you hit play, you can then watch the speech. Over on the bottom right corner, you're going to see a text box, and this is where you will be providing feedback to the speaker. And you'll type basically one comment at a time and then hit enter. And then you'll find another comment you want to make, and then you'll hit enter, and another comment and another comment. So throughout the speech, you'll make a comment and hit enter. When you hit enter, it provides a timestamp. So you'll see here in the middle of our screen that at 31 seconds, I just happened to have typed friendly speaker, hit enter, and it shows when I said that. So if you say, oh, I love that slide, the image and the color is fabulous, enter, then the speaker will know exactly which slide you're referring to because they'll see it in the video. So after all of your classmates provide feedback, you as the speaker can watch your speech and see all of your classmates' comments here on the right. I love this method of providing feedback. I think it's fabulous. So that's a brief overview of how to register and work this program. It is fairly intuitive, so just go in and play around with it. Get comfortable with it before work is due.